This is problem 4.3 from Chapter 4, Brigham and Houston's Fundamentals of Financial Management, Concise 9th edition. Here we're doing DuPont analysis. The first thing you do with all these is write down what you know. The ROA, which is net income divided by assets, is 11%. Given a net profit margin or net profit margin, which is net income divided by sales, net income divided by sales is 6%. Okay, and our ROE, which is net income divided by equity, of 23%. You're asked, what is the total asset turnover? Sales over assets, and the equity multiplier, which is assets over equity. Okay, so those are the two things you're being asked to solve for. If you take the net profit margin times the total asset turnover, that gives you the ROA. Alright, so the net profit margin, net income over sales, and then you multiply that by sales over assets, then sales is going to cancel out and you're going to be ending up with net income over assets. So I know that the net profit margin I'm given 6%, and I multiply that times the total asset turnover, I have ROA, which is 11%. Alright, so to get the total asset turnover, that would be equal to the 11% divided by 6%. Simple algebra. We typically do not write that as a percentage, although you certainly can. Well, that is a number to two decimal places. Okay. We're also asked to get the equity multiplier. If you take the ROA times the equity multiplier, that gives you ROE. ROA is net income divided by assets, and you multiply that by assets over equity. That reduces to net income over equity. Alright, because the assets cancels out same way. Alright, so we're given the ROA in the problem of 11% multiplied by the equity multiplier gives me the ROE, which you are also given in the problem at 23%. Okay. So the equity multiplier would be equal to 23% divided by 11% in this particular problem. All right. And so the answer is the total asset turnover is 1.83, the equity multiplier 2.09.